Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I want to remind everybody about the Red-Headed Barbies in Capris Collab Challenge. And what that means is I have sent out some of these Barbies and a bunch of these patterns, and we're all getting together in a collab to make Barbie, a red-headed Barbie, this outfit, any red-headed Barbie. I actually ran out of these dolls. It's a pair of capris and a really simple top. I don't think it took, 40 minutes to make this outfit. Now, I have a sewing machine and I sew all the time, so that makes a difference. If you're sewing by hand, it'll take a little longer. I do want to, evidently there was some confusion in the mermaid collab and some names got left out, and I felt so bad about that. That just really upset me. So I wanted to say the names that I have down right now, and if you are in this collab and I don't have it, please leave me a note in my comments and let's get it straightened out. Tina at Tina's Reborns and More, Cynthia at Ambrosia's Dollhouse, Ellie Nefret, Tracy at Eclectic Wanderings, J Dolls UK, Karen at Starts and Stitches, Crystal at KC's Joy, Doll Joy, Rebecca at Never Too Old for Dolls, and Haiti at Haiti Garfio. Now, if you're in on this, please let me know. This collab or challenge, if you would like to join in, let us know and use the hashtag Red-Headed Barbies in Capris. We're doing this June 27th at 10 a.m. If you're interested, write that down, and that's 10 o'clock Central. We are using the Simplicity Pattern BG, or the picture BG right here, and it's Simplicity 9034. It's going to be a lot of fun. Anyway, let's open this doll real quick. I really like this doll. I was glad to see them go on sale. I was even more glad that my husband said yes, that I could do the collab and mail a bunch of these out. He is a prince, and shipping has gotten, wow, unbelievable. I don't know that I'll be able to do this much more. Whoa, just one around the waist. I love her, and I love her hair. I actually, in the 70s, had a dress a lot like this one, and shorter than this one, believe it or not, that I wore to junior high school. Love the hair. It's a little choppy. Boy, that's terribly choppy, quite honestly, but I guess after you brush it a few times. Really like her. But I have to say, when you look at the photo and you look at the doll, or the art, I guess, it looks like her mother came out of the box. I don't care. I love this doll. This is a curvy. I found when I did this pattern the first time that the shirt came out after cut and made to fit a curvy, but the pants came out to fit a smaller, regular size Barbie. What I did was, in the last video, and I will link that into this video, I'll leave the link for it. I showed how to make these a little larger. Now, I got the waist a little big, but she likes it that way. She can eat more at the buffet. So I'm going to remake that in probably a different color for this girl and my very favorite Barbie. She's so simple and so pretty. And I rode my bike, probably 15 miles or more that day to go buy her. Kind of a destination ride. And I love it because we ride about 7 miles and then we stop at the Dollar General, go in and shop, get a little break, get a little air conditioning or heat in the winter, and buy a little something and then either ride more or come home. I hope you will join in either the collab or the challenge. That means anybody can participate at all. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, ooh, that hair, and subscribe.